It's very easy to change your privacy settings on Snapchat if you want to adjust exactly who can see your content. By default, only a select few can actually find you or chat to you on Snapchat, like for example your friends. But by playing around with the tons of different privacy options, you can go a bit deeper than that and customize exactly who can contact you, who can see what, etc. So the way you actually get to the settings is pretty simple. All you have to do is go on Snapchat and then click on your profile icon in the top left. From there, you want to head into your settings, which will be the cogwheel icon in the top right corner. Once you are there, scroll down a bit until you get to the privacy section, and there you'll see the various options all spread out in this menu. Here you'll see things like, for example, being able to adjust exactly who can contact you, being able to change it either between it being friends and contacts and just friends. You can also set who exactly sees your stories. The two options there are either just friends, or you can select only a specific few from your friends list that are able to view your story. The next important privacy option you find there relates to other users being able to find you in the Find Friends function of the app. So if you tap in there, you'll see that you can turn that off, so that way people can't find you via that feature. The final really important one in that list is being able to adjust your location settings with the option to turn off the tracking completely so that no one can see where you are. Another important thing of note is that you can only adjust all of those different settings on the mobile app. You can't do it on the desktop or browser version. However, it works pretty much the same on both Android and iOS. So now you know exactly how to access all the various privacy features inside Snapchat. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.